how to buy TST token on Bitunix. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check it in the description. As you can see, this token is available on CoinEX. To be able to buy this token on Bitunix, what you need to do, click on marks here, and you will be able to find the Bitunix. Click on pair here, and you will be able to relax your account on Bitunix. So what you need to do, as you can see, you will be able to find this buy option here. Now, if you select the limit order, what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see the amount that you want to pay of that you have in your account. Now click on buy TST, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So if you select the market order, drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT you have in your account in order to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy TST, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy TST token if you on Bitunix. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.